Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bot to channel in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged in, this type of interface will appear in your screen. Side by side, open slack.com/application. Then click to Get Essential Apps. From the Search App directory, search Poly. It is a communication bot that helps you to add bot to your channel. Click to Add to Slack, then scroll down and click to Allow. It might take a while to add up to your Slack application. Then go to your channel and just click \, then type Poly. From here you can see your command. Click on any command to activate your bot. This is how you can add bot to your channel in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.